how to correctly apply for Medicare online in Australia. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to correctly apply for Medicare online in Australia. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Before applying, make sure you're eligible for Medicare. This typically includes Australian citizens, permanent residents, and certain visa holders. Once logged into MyGov, click Services and select Medicare to link it. You'll need to provide some personal information such as your date of birth and address to complete the link. Prepare documents like your ID, proof of residency, and if applicable, your visa details. Having these ready will streamline your application. In MyGov, navigate to the Medicare section and select Apply for Medicare. This will take you to the online application form. Fill in the form with accurate details, including your personal information, residency status, and any dependent information if applying for family members as well. During the application, upload scanned copies of your ID, visa documents, or any other required documentation. Ensure all files are clear and meet the upload requirements. Double check all your information for accuracy, then submit your application. MyGov will send you a confirmation once submitted. While waiting, download the Express Plus Medicare app to access your digital Medicare card once your application is approved. That's all for the video.